Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I am going to be unboxing the new Rongrong I Can and I Will planner for 2022, and I'm super excited because I've been waiting for this for such a long time, or what feels like a long time, just because I was so impatient and I couldn't wait to get it. So it did feel like such a long time. So let's go ahead and get into this. I did go ahead and open it just because their packages are always packaged so well. So let's see. Okay, so I believe this is my invoice, so let's get rid of that. And we have her card as usual, all of her information, and just a little bit about herself. And so let's see. So the first thing I see here are the daily planner inserts. So I do want to get into that before getting into the planner. And so with these ones, we get 93 sheets in this pack, and so it's a quarterly packet because it includes 3 months worth. And so this one retails for $25.99. And I do want to mention that I do have an affiliate code that you guys can use to save a little bit of money on your order. And that code is Stephany10. But I will have that information linked down in the description box below, so you guys can save a little bit of money when you order, if you happen to like any of the things that you see today. So let me go ahead and open this. And this is not like your like a notepad. So these are actually already punched and ready to go. So here we go. So see, it's not, they're loose, it's not a notepad. And so let's see, it's undated, of course, so you will put the date up here. You have your top priorities, your schedule, which runs from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. I love that we have lines, and then the dotted line is for your half hour, so that's amazing. We have a little box for work, then for personal, and then we have a water tracker, and then self-care down here. Then we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then down here we have a spot for calls, emails, and texts, and then a section for notes. So I love the way that this is set up. I think it's really functional, and if you don't want to add stickers, you don't have to. And so here is the back, just dot grid, and then we have mind mapping down here, and then another little note section over here. And I just love this. These are gonna be super great when you have like a busier day. You just pop one of these in, and that could probably last you a while. So we have first that purple shading color, then we have this one, and it's all basically just the same thing. And then let's see the last color. Oh, this very pretty orangey color. I love that. So yeah, so you get 93 pages in here, and these are just gonna be perfect. So let's see, let's go ahead and get this out of the way. And these ones, did I say they retail for $25.99? And they are 125 GSM bleed resistant paper, so it's pretty thick. So that's always great because, you know, it will stand with any pen or marker or highlighter. And so let's go ahead and get into this planner. There we go. Look at how beautiful she is. I love it. I couldn't wait to get my hands on this. It is just so pretty. Just look at that. I love the rose gold detail. So we do have rose gold discs here. They are 1.25 inches. I love that the rose gold discs match the cover. I can and I will. And we do have a pretty sturdy cover. So that is one of the upgrades from her last planner, because this is her second one. She did release one for 2021. So let me go ahead and show you that one really quick. So this was it. I wasn't able to get into this one, so I didn't use it, but I wish I would have. But the good thing about these planners is that they're both undated, so you could technically start them at any time. So that does make me feel a little bit better because I could literally start it at any time. So that is awesome. So as you can see, there were a few upgrades from her first one to her second one. So we have the obvious one, which are the discs. She had a coil one, and so these are metal. It's not like they're plastic, so I love that. And then the cover, this one is a hard cover. So we have that one, and this one is a plastic, just like the Happy Planner. You will have that same cover. So that is just a quick little difference from her first planner to her second one. A lot of upgrades and just so much goodies inside here. So let's go ahead and open her up. And this one is on the website for $68. Sometimes she does have sales going on, but when she doesn't, remember to use code Stephany10 so you guys can save a little bit of money. And so let's look at the inside. This is such a beautiful color scheme. I love that, and it goes so well with the discs. So these pages are 125 GSM bleed proof paper, and I believe that is an upgrade from her first planner. The paper is just much thicker and better quality as well, so I love that. I always love my paper to be really, really thick. That way nothing goes through them. So let's see. So we have the name page. We have, again, a little bit about herself. We go straight into the vision board. That is going to be so fun to fill out. And then we go into top goals, 1, 2, and 3, major steps to make this happen. And so my daily rituals, morning routine, evening routines, what I am grateful for, and my affirmations. And then we have this page, which has your monthly affirmations, action list, monthly goals, body and soul, and a notes section. And so then we come to the divider, and these dividers are 250 heavy cardstock dashboards. So really, really thick. And remember that these are all of her illustrations. They are just so beautiful. She is so talented, and I just love her fashion girls. They are amazing. So here, like you can see, these are undated, and I'm pretty sure we'll have stickers to date our planners. So hopefully it's somewhere in here, but this one says the best is yet to come. So I can't wait to get started on this one. Of course, I'm going to start in January, and then we go into the monthly view. So it's not a lot of color. We have a little fashion girl over here, and there's nothing on the spine. Pretty simple. And then just date it really quick. I love that. Love that there's lines over here for the notes section. And this is a vertical layout. So we have this purple color here. We have the days of the week up here, this week, and then top priorities. And look at this. I love that it includes a habit tracker. So there's a spot for 3 of them, the line, so you can write what your habit is and track it for the week. So I love this section right here. I can already tell that I'm going to be using this one so much. And so I bet we're going to get 5 pages in each month. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 because it is undated. You just never know how many weeks the month is going to have. So with undated, you usually always get the 5 weeks. So there's 5, and that brings us to what would technically be February. So we have the monthly affirmations again, the action list, monthly goals, body and soul, and notes, but just like in the pink and Valentine's Day theme. So I love that. And look at this. This is so pretty. And it's nice and simple. Just plain. We do have the color here, but not a lot of details going on. So I do love that. And look at this. It's just plain and it has that little bit of color, but not too bad. So I can't wait to dive into this one. Let's see. We have this fashion girl. I love that, the green, the shamrocks going on. And so then we have the green here. Look at that adorable puppy. And let's see, of course, then we're gonna have the green here, but it's not like really in your face or too bold. The lines are really, really thin and nothing else. So I love that. So again, the 5 weeks, and then we get to spring bloom. And so we have like that yellow spring vibe going on. And look, so pretty. So here we go. Beautiful. It's nice and it's simple. And then we go into this one. I love that. So what does that make? January, February, March, April. This would technically be May, but remember, you guys can start it at any time. Doesn't have to start in January. But look at how pretty this is. And of course, if you don't like this, you can always cover it with stickers. Not a big deal. Then we have this going on here. And we have the yellow here. Okay, so very beautiful. Here comes the sun. I love this color. It's like a peach type of color. So then the pages are that really light green. And then let's see. Ooh, very pretty. I love this. Look at her outfit. That's so pretty. So again, the yellowish. Very cute. So let's see. We have Dream Big. And all her illustrations are just so beautiful. I am super excited to start this vertical layout. And then we have Autumn Leaves and Pumpkins Please. I love that we have lines. I am all about my lines. And the Happy Planner does have like a stencil so you guys can get your own lines. So I just need to find it because, like I said, I've tried this layout before. So I know I have it somewhere, but I just need to look for it. So look at how beautiful this is. Very cute. So let's see the color. So pretty. And then the last divider is all the Jingle Ladies. That is so pretty. Look at this. Very, very minimal. I love that. Very pretty. So let's see. What do we have back here? So after the last week in December, we have dot grid pages. Okay, that's great. So lined pages are next. And I believe I do see some stickers. Okay, so we have like payday, important appointment, birthday, celebrate, day off. And then we have the date stickers and the month stickers. Okay, so these are gonna be perfect. I cannot wait to start setting her up. And then there is the back cover and the very back. So how pretty is this? I am so excited to set her up. So make sure that you guys are subscribed because I cannot wait to dive into this one. I'm just waiting on a little bit of goodies so I can fully set her up, and I am just super excited to dive into this one. I love the new upgrades. The paper is amazing. All the illustrations are just so beautiful. So make sure that you guys check the link down in the description box below and use code Stephany10 so you guys can save some money on your purchase. But I am just so excited to dive into this one. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.